Hi everyone, my name is Carolyn and I'm excited to announce the release of the LandPKS Habitat Module, a new piece of the LandPKS app that you can use to learn about wildlife species that may exist on your land and what their preferred habitats look like. We worked closely with our partners at the Nature Conservancy to bring you the most accurate and useful habitat information. As soon as you open the app, all you have to do is create a site and you'll immediately find information about wildlife at a given location. Then you can quickly enter your own soil and vegetation data and see how those line up with the ideal habitat requirements. To learn more about habitat, watch the next two videos. You can download LandPKS for free in the Apple app or Google Play stores. And as always, to learn more about how to use LandPKS, visit our website, landpotential.org. Have fun exploring.